Hello, what is up everybody, RL57 here, back with yet another diecast car video. And in today's video we will be checking out the TarmacWorks Nissan Skyline HT 2000GT-R Special Edition, and this is from the Fuji event, which was what do you call that, the Nismo Festival of Speed that was held at Fuji Speedway in 2024. That was one of the last hugest events of 2024, I think, located in Japan, of course, at Fuji Speedway. It was the event where, of course, mostly would most probably be for the Nismos and Skylines, as is the Nismo Festival of Speed event. And TarmacWorks has done it again. They've released yet another event model, and this time it would be the Nissan Skyline HT 2000GT-R. Now yeah, I did manage to get this even though I didn't go to the Nismo Festival of Speed event. I would like to thank MDM Garage from Instagram, as he was able to get me one set for this car and also this nice looking A4 file, I would say. And yeah, he was able to secure one set for me so that I can buy it and basically ship it to Malaysia here. He is living in Indonesia, so I had to ship it from Indonesia to Malaysia for this car, the 2000 GT-R. And yeah, the price was I would say quite okay for the time being. So far, not many people do get their hands on these, as well, one, of course, it's an event model, and number two, it was mainly like only available for the event and not available elsewhere. So I'm not sure whether this would be available in the future in the TarmacWorks website or not, but it rather depends, I would say. Maybe there will, maybe there will not be this car in the Tarmac website. But then again, if you don't know, the Nissan 2000 GT-R, we've done a review a couple of times previously. First one would be in red, that was the Two Master Shop exclusive event model. And then what else? We've reviewed it in, have I reviewed it in black? I'm not sure, but I do have the black version. There's one in the Lamley edition color that I already have, but I haven't reviewed yet so far, and I'm planning to review that soon. This would be one of the cars that is more to an event exclusive. Now, oh yeah, also another one I've reviewed, which is the Tokyo Saloon 2024, I believe, the 2000 GT in sort of like a metallic silver sort of color, which was nice. And now we have one in chrome silver, actually, which is nice. Now, I really do like the box style that this comes with. If you don't know, as you can see right here, it has the background of the iconic Fuji Speedway entrance right there, which is nice. Located in Japan, of course, but the car isn't. It's basically just like more to a copy-pasted sort of illustration, which is nice. So we start off with the box right here. It says Special Edition TarmacWorks Fuji Speedway, background right there. There is your car, very nice. Doesn't really look that chromy from the front though, sadly. Skyline HT 2000 GT-R Special Edition over on this side. Global 64, special, skill 164. Over here it says TarmacWorks, the logo, and pretty much the same thing on top. Then yeah, pretty much empty. Then over here it says TarmacWorks, small size, big heart, 164 scale, special edition silver chrome, made in China, and also Nissan licensing right there. Then moving on to the A4 file. Now this is pretty nice, I would say. So at the bottom right here we have tarmacworks. Now I actually have a few of these Tarmac files. The other ones would be from the event exclusive, which was the Super Fractor, the time where I bought the Tarmac cards from the event. Yeah, I have 4 of those, basically 4 different ones, which is nice. That would be my other set of tarmacworks folders or files. Other than that, yeah, I don't really have much. Over here, it's pretty much the same art style as the box. You have the car again, and then you have the entrance towards Fuji Speedway, which is very nice. And the back, pretty simple, I would say. You have your Tarmac logo on the top, and over the middle right here, it says every car has a story. And of course, you do have your socials right down the bottom. Overall, I would say they did a nice job with the A4 folder. I really like it. Let's put it there for now. Our main attraction would be the car itself. So let me just move this down here. And let's go ahead and open this up. I would say this car would be a fingerprint collector, if you don't know. This is already in chrome, so yeah, a bit great, but not great at the same time. So yeah, chrome silver color. I bet the chase should have like sort of like the metallic silver sort of color, and then it would possibly have not sure, it should possibly have sort of like a speciality, I think. Maybe the rims are chrome silver, who knows. So yeah, this does come in chrome silver as its regular color, as you can tell. Very nice, really really clean, very nice, sort of like an empty design, of course. Then of course the whole car is covered in the chrome silver treatment, of course. Overall very nice. Let's put it on our turntable. We've barely seen chrome silver cars made by Tarmac in a while. Every once in a while we do get the chrome silver cars, but yeah, it's not often. Unlike this one, somehow it's colored in chrome, which is very nice. Very clean. Love the rims as well, pretty much the same as all of the other rims that we've done a video for, and yeah, this is no different. So yeah, it's very nice. Doesn't really have any livery all over the car or anything, just that yeah, basically everything is chrome silver. Not only the metal parts, but also the plastic parts, including its rear spoiler. Somehow it's actually still and also is in chrome silver, which is very, very nice. Overall, I would say this car is pretty nice looking at it so far. But yeah, let's take a detailed look at this car. And oh boy, will we get fingerprints? Obviously, yes. Here we have our Kosuka, or 2000GT-R. So here's the side view of it. You can see that you do have your rubber tires, and you have your small set of rims, which are very nice. Oh wait, I'm doing it wrong again. Yeah, I'm gonna restart on this side, but still it's the same thing. So yeah, small set of rims with rubber tires. You have your 8-spoke, I think, 8-spoke rims right there, which are nice. Clean side view of the car, very nice. You do have some matte sort of silver accents here and there at the door window right there, very nice. Rubber tires, your door handle, and also your gas cap, which is very nice. That's your side view, moving towards the front of the car. So of course you do have your headlight details, which are 2 circular headlights on each side, which are nice. You do have some more silver accents. You do have your front bumper right here, which is colored in chrome silver. Overall, very nice. You do have your plastic, sorry, not plastic, but rubber, black colored side mirrors, which are like round side mirrors, I think. And moving towards the hood, yeah, pretty much empty, nothing much on the hood or anything. For the windshield, regular windshield tint, blacked out interior, blacked out seats, blacked out dashboard, and of course it is right-hand drive. Over on this side, yeah, pretty much the same thing. Nothing much has changed. And also, I forgot to mention, the roof is also empty, if you don't know. Yeah, pretty much an empty roof. And moving towards the back of the car here, you do have your red colored rear lights right there, square shaped rear lights on each side. You have your rear spoiler, which is a small rear spoiler piece right there. You have your license plate which says Nissan GT-R right there, and of course you do have your rear bumper, which is also in chrome silver, which is nice. So what does it say right here? Tarmac works, Nissan Skyline 2000 GT-R KPGC 10, made in China. Oh yeah, somehow the car actually didn't say KPGC 10 on the box. In fact, it is a KPGC 10, if you don't know. So this car has been like released a couple of times by Tarmac by now, but it's still trying to get its love here and there, basically, over from the GT-R like fan base and all the GT-R lovers really do love this car no matter what, even though it's an old fashion classic model right here. And even I do really like it. Love the design, love the color. Yeah, we've seen this car a couple of times before. We've seen it in sort of like a red color, which was from the Tarmac X2 Monster Shop event. Then it was in sort of like a cream color, I think. That was also from the Nismo Festival of Speed, I think last year or 2 years ago. And then it was in Tokyo Auto Saloon 2024, I believe. The metallic silver sort of color. And what else? So we have it in black as a regular release. We have another silver one as a regular release, which is interesting. And also we have the Tarmac version, which is also sort of like a cream color or tan color, which is interesting. But yeah, overall I really do like this car, the Hakosuka, even though I've reviewed many other colors before this. I feel as if this is also yet another great one, as always, made by Tarmac Works. Overall I really do like it. There you go, that's my review of the Nissan Skyline HT 2000 GT-R Hakosuka. And once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.